Good morning, guys. I hope you're all well. I'm really excited for today. I'm getting laser hair removal and I thought today I'd bring you guys with me to show you how it all works. If my makeup looks strange, it's because I've basically only put makeup on the top half of my face. I have laser on my cheeks, on my upper lip, and on my chin. So I haven't bothered putting any makeup on there because she's gonna need to take it off anyway. Before I start talking about laser hair removal, can I just say, obviously, shouldn't have to say it, but you guys know, when it comes to body hair, you do you. There is absolutely no need to remove it if you don't want to. Some people like to keep their body hair, some people like to get rid of it completely. I'm somewhere in between. Like, there are some areas I like to kind of manage and thin out the hair if I can. But in between sessions, you know, I'm not ashamed of it. I very much own the fact that I have a lot of hair all over me, and that is so fine. So today I'm going to be taking you with me to a place called New You in Primrose Hill, which is where I get my laser hair removal. But I have tried 2 or 3 other places in the past over like years and years. Never that consistently, but that's because the places I used to go to, it was so painful. It literally felt like someone was kind of using a staple gun or like pinging an elastic band. And it just used to be agony, and I used to find it so hard to like hype myself up to go for the sessions. So it never really like properly worked on me, even though apparently laser hair removal works best if you have fair skin and dark hair, like that contrast, so it should work the best on me. I never really found it worked that well. I saw the girls from This Is Mothership talking about Sam from New You, who has this special machine called Soprano Ice, which is supposedly pain-free laser hair removal. I was like, absolutely no chance this is gonna work because I know how painful laser hair removal is. So how can it work if it's not even like giving you the pain? I went to see her at the beginning of 2020 and did a whole session and absolutely loved it. I would go as far as saying, not only is it pain-free, but it's actually like relaxing. It's really nice. She just kind of glides the thing, I don't even know what it's called, up and the light, like up and down the area that you're doing, and it's totally pain-free. If anything, every now and again, it feels slightly warm, slightly hot, and that's as bad as it gets. And it is just absolutely not painful at all. So I was like, this is amazing. If it works, it's genius. Did a load of sessions with her. Then the pandemic hit and I couldn't go for ages because it was closed. And then I got pregnant and I couldn't go because you can't have laser hair removal when you're pregnant. So I haven't been to her for ages. I checked the progress last night before I did all my kind of shaving prep, because you have to shave before you go. And I'm just so impressed with how well it has removed the hair. So we've done legs, and hair on my legs is probably the hardest to get rid of because it's kind of thicker hair that's been shaved a lot over the years. And it is just thinned out so much. Barely ever have to kind of do my legs. Like, there'll be like the odd patches here and there or some wispy hairs, but it's not at all like the thick, hairy legs that I used to have. We do half my arms. I never had like a massive problem with the hair on my arms. I think it's totally normal, but I was like, what the hell, why not? Let's give it a go. And I knew that it wouldn't need that many sessions because I'd never touched the hair on my arms. I'd never shaved them or epilated them or anything. So I knew it wouldn't need that long to like thin them out, and they're amazing. I think like one more session and we're done. Underarms, again, like a thicker hair, but I'm so amazed at how much it's thinned out. And then face and neck is a harder one because it's like very hormonal, especially when pregnant. It just kind of like comes back with a vengeance. So that's what we do. And in between laser sessions, you are allowed to shave, but you can't epilate or pluck because that takes the hair out of the follicle, which means there's nothing there to kind of ping with the laser. So I'm always kind of like shaving in between, but I don't epilate so much anymore unless I know I'm like not having laser. I swear I've tried every hair removal all over my whole body. I get my eyebrows threaded, I have laser, I used to epilate, I shave all the time. I get my bikini line waxed before I go on holiday. I don't know why, but that's just like my routine. I think we said we were gonna try laser on my bikini line. So that's the lowdown with pain-free laser hair removal, and I'll show you when I go there what it looks like and how the process all works. The salon is in Primrose Hill, which is an area I love. So I'm gonna go there, have a little walk around, have some lunch maybe. It's really nice weather today, but it's freezing. It's like sunny, but it's the first day where we've got frost outside. So things are definitely getting cold. And oh my God, guys, having a winter baby versus having a summer baby, because I've had both now, so much harder. the logistics of like getting in and out, snowsuits and the car seats and making sure they're not cold, much harder. I gave myself a little mini at-home manicure last night using the OPI nail polish in, I can't remember, Bubble something maybe? I'll link it down below. It's just a very kind of everyday pinky nude. Makes my nails look nice and clean. I shared this on my Instagram, but Anthropologie have the Hotel Magique mugs in the sale at the moment, and they're so nice and they're such a good cup of tea size. I got 2 of them in the sale for like £7 each and I love it. I found my favourite old Topshop scarf under my bed. I've had this for years. It's so snuggly and I love the colour. I'm here a little bit early, so I'm going to go to Melrose and Morgan and have a coffee and catch up with some emails on my phone. Yeah. This is just the nicest little cafe and it's got a little kind of shop attached to it. If you ever want to just walk around and daydream about living somewhere amazing, come walk around Primrose Hill. It's just one of my favourite areas. I love it. Got my oat flat white and I'm going to head to New You now. I'm a bit early, but I think she'll let me sit in a waiting area. Okay, I'm here. Oh, mask slipped down. I'm here with Sam. Hi.
Hi.
And apparently she's got a new machine since last time I came here. I'm very excited. Let me turn you around and show you. So it's still the Soprano Ice, right?
Yeah, but it's the titanium, so it's just been upgraded in terms of a bigger handpiece and a bit newer technology in terms of wavelengths. So it's sort of targeting, it's got 3 wavelengths instead of 1 this time.
And so you can do it faster as well?
Yeah, this, the bigger handpiece does the legs in half the time.
Literally haven't been here for so long, but we were just saying that it's worked so well, so I might just need a couple more sessions and then I can just do like top-ups every year or on little patches when I need it. So I'm going to get started and I'll show you some of it. We're going to do face first, and this I haven't shaved this bit because I wanted to show Sam where the hair is because I don't want to shave somewhere where I don't need to shave, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I have like, here's where I get like, I think I may have had threading like before Christmas. Sorry, I know I'm not meant to.
No,
I didn't know
fine.
I was coming back.
Yeah.
So I get like patches here and then
Just a bit under the chin.
there.
Yeah,
I don't know if I think it's kind of stopped growing back on my lip,
no,
but maybe a little bit.
I haven't touched that. The upper lip looks good. So yeah, we'll just sort of target that bit there. Even your chin, it's not your chin, it's just this bit
it's underneath,
there,
yeah.
And then just to the side
Yeah.
there. That's
Okay, we just did my face. I couldn't film it because I was wearing like blackout goggles because you've got to be careful when it's on your face. But the new machine still doesn't hurt. A little bit hot feeling, that's all I would say. Like around the bone, jawline, you can feel it's a bit hot, but literally like pain-free. And like I said, quite relaxing. I'm going to put on these fetching glasses to do my arms and underarms. And let me show you.
there we go. Lean back.
Alright, let me show you what it looks like. I did shave, but you know, with a tiny baby I had to do it like super fast, so if I missed any, sorry.
That's fine. So we just take off any deodorant you've got on, so you can't have anything perfumed on there.
I asked Sam, guys, and I was wrong. It's like the old machines where it only really works on light skin and dark hair. Like with the technology now, it works on all different skin tones. She was just saying the only thing it doesn't really work on is if you've got like really white, like grey hair, or very, very white blonde. But other than that, it works on everybody, which is great. And redheads.
Unfortunately, that's it.
It's really mean on redheads.
I know.
Someone needs to make a laser machine that works on redheads.
I agree, though.
They will. We were just saying the technology like changes so quickly all the time. That's why Sam like updated her machine. Wait, if anyone watching this video, is it okay for them to look at the light? I'm wearing glasses. Yeah. Okay. I just realised I'm wearing glasses. I was like, quick, put your glasses on. No, you'll be alright.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
So I literally can't feel that, guys. It's just like literally like having an armpit massage.
As you do.
Yeah, exactly. The ones I used to have, like you didn't go back and forth, it was like you did each area,
like that.
And it was like, yeah, and it was like a snap, like an actual, oh my god, it was so painful.
So what this just does is build it up gradually, so you're delivering the same amount of energy, but just delivering it slower, so what that makes it then virtually pain-free. It also means you can then do it on tanned skin. If you've been on holiday, we usually say wait 2 weeks, that's all. And then it's one of the safest ways to do laser.
And also what I like about this one is you can go, because when I used to do laser, I could never do it in the summer. If I had a holiday coming up, I couldn't do it, but you can go in the sun. You just have to wear SPF. So like Sam just put SPF on my face. You've just got to be careful, but you can. Yeah. I used to literally have like chunks of time where I couldn't do it if I had a holiday coming up. So that's good.
And again, in the consultation, we'd always run through that. So if you're going on a sunny holiday, we say 2 weeks before, 2 weeks after, especially when you're doing your face. But otherwise, if it's just normal weather here, as long as you've got SPF on, you're all good. And that's that bit done.
There you go. That's one underarm done so fast. I look crazy.
So bad. So with this bit as well, we obviously just avoid your tattoos. So you have a few little hairs around that, but you can't go over any tattoos.
That's fine, yeah. We just avoid my tattoos, and then any like moles that I'm particularly worried about, we kind of just go around. Look how fast it is. This is my arm, in case you can't tell. It's a bit of a strange angle. Okay, we're just going to do my legs. This is 100% the worst part when she puts the gel on, just because it's so cold. It's actually alright on this lower part, on my thigh though. Oh my god, it was so cold. So put the gel all over, and then I'm going to go for it. That's literally it. Can't feel a thing. By the end of it, like I said, it just feels a little bit warm, but that's it. It's actually really nice. Okay, I'm done. I seriously love going to see Sam. She is just such a pleasure to be around. So I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing that with you, because people always ask me about laser hair removal, so I thought I could literally, I've mentioned it on Instagram before, but I've never, I don't think, shown it in YouTube, so I hope that was helpful. I love Sam, and she's a small business, and she's just great, and she said, I've shared a kind of code online before, and she said it made... It's okay, it's fine. I just got almost tangled in a dog lead. I shared a discount code online on Instagram before, and she said it made such a massive difference to her small business and kept her going throughout COVID, kind of all the new people that came in. So I love that. So if you want 30% off laser hair removal at New You with Sam, just kind of mention my name. Say Lily Pebbles sent me, and she'll give you a discount. I'm walking to go meet Rich and Rudy now, and I think we're going to go get some lunch. There he is. Flat white in hand. Baby bag on your back. Rain cover on even though it's not raining.
It was.
Was it?
It's like sleet.
Really?
Yeah.
Missed that. Oh man, I really need a wee. Oh. Look at these houses. Aren't they so beautiful? There's a Space NK on this high street. I love this little high street. I feel like there could be more casual cafe type restaurants, but apart from that, it's got everything you need, and it's got Space NK, so I might pop in and have a little look. I haven't been in there for a little while. Okay, let's go in and see. Ooh, there's a sale. Dangerous. Oh, I can't get in. These look so nice from Fresh flavoured lip balms. I'm just not sure. I think my lips might react to them because it's got limonene in it, but I'm not sure. I'm tempted to try it. My lips have been really good recently, but I'm also scared to break the good cycle. I'll show you what I picked up when I get home. We're just gonna pop to Greenberry's for a quick lunch. I went for fresh orange. Rich went for this beetroot drink that literally has cayenne pepper sprinkled on top. That does not appeal to me, I have to say. Got miso aubergine on the side, and then a French onion soup, which looks delicious. Look at all that yummy cheese. Okay, I'm home. My skin is feeling very soft and nice. I thought I'd quickly show you what I got in Space NK, and then I'm gonna finish this video. I need to make dinner. First thing I got, because I've just had laser, she reminded me I have to wear SPF, and I'm not sure if I've got an SPF that I'm like loving at the moment for my face. So I picked up one from Kiehl's because I love their daily SPFs. This is the Ultra Light Daily UV Defense, but this is the Aqua Gel version, so it's SPF 50. But I love SPFs that are a gel formula rather than a cream, because sometimes creams feel a bit heavy, and this feels really like fresh and light on the skin. So I'll be using that every day just to protect my face, because obviously the laser. I also have been looking for a detox shampoo, so like a clarifying shampoo, for a while, because every time I wash my hair, it doesn't quite feel clean, like at the back, even if I double shampoo. Whenever that happens, I know that it's just a bit of like product buildup, and clarifying shampoos are great at just kind of stripping back the product. But I always have to look for one that's like kind of gentle, because some of them are so harsh they leave your hair feeling like straw, and I've got really dry hair anyway, so it's finding that balance between like getting it clean feeling but not dry. Apparently this is like a medium one. It's not like super drying, but it's not so gentle that it doesn't really work. This is from Way. I love this brand, and also look how pretty the bottle is. So this is their Detox Shampoo. I'll give that a go. I wonder if it has a nice scent to it actually. Oh, it's very fresh. Oh, that's nice. And then the final thing I got is a hand cream. I've wanted to try this one for ages. I always see people using it. Nursem Caring Hand Cream. Medical grade Manuka honey. I feel like there's a story to this brand. Yes, it says it on the back. For every product you buy, we give a month's worth of free Nursem products to a nurse or a midwife. How cute is that? I absolutely love that. I knew there was something on with this brand. Packaging also very cute. Let's open it up and see. Looks like this. I love a good hand cream in the winter. Very nice. Smells a bit like a kind of Aesop product. Lovely stuff. So that's everything from this video. I hope you guys found it interesting, and if you have any other questions about laser hair removal, leave them down below and I will get back to you. If you don't, just leave me a comment and say hi. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.